Welcome to the TRT and Hormone Optimization YouTube channel. My name is Dr. Steven de Vos, the lifting dermatologist. That's the name of my other YouTube channel. And if you're new here, you're probably wondering how to find the information you are searching for. Well, let me help you out here. Me and my colleague doctors, a lot of TRT experts and men's health clinics owners, we've already made a ton of videos with lots and lots of information. Use the search function on the channel's homepage and type in the topics you are looking for. After watching a particular video, if you have extra questions, leave them in the comments under the video and I'll be sure to answer it. If I would miss your question, you can also use the Facebook group or Telegram chat group with the same name, TRT and Hormone Optimization. You will find the links to all my social media and groups in the description of each video. If you would like to support the channel, consider becoming a channel member for exclusive features like loyalty badges, early access to new videos, funny stuff like rough cuts and bloopers, members only photos and status updates on the community tab, and members only live stream chat. On desktop, use the join button next to the subscribe. On mobile, use the join link in the description.